In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert slide numbers in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a new presentation from scratch or working on something you already started, adding slide numbers can be a simple and effective way to keep your content organized and ensure your audience stays on track. Let's dive right into it. First off, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it installed, make sure you're using a licensed version for the best experience. Now with PowerPoint open, you're going to want to navigate to the presentation you're currently working on. If it's saved on your computer already, just open the file directly. If you're beginning a new project, go ahead and start a new presentation file. Next, you'll want to head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this along the top menu of PowerPoint. This tab is like your treasure chest. It holds all the tools you need to enhance your presentation with additional content like images, text boxes, and of course slide numbers. Once you are in the Insert tab, look for the option that says Slide Number. It is usually located toward the right of the menu, often grouped with other footer elements like date and time. Click on Slide Number to bring up a new dialog box. This box is your control hub for adding, modifying, or removing slide numbers from your presentation. Now in the dialog box that appears, you'll see a checkbox next to Slide Number. Go ahead and click that box to activate slide numbers for your slides. Checking this box will ensure that each slide in your presentation receives a unique number in sequence, making it much easier for your audience to follow your flow. After you've checked the box for slide numbers, there's another important step. Look for the option that says Apply to All and click it. By choosing this, PowerPoint will automatically apply the slide numbers to every slide in your current presentation, rather than just the one you're presently viewing. This action saves time and maintains continuity across your presentation, ensuring a cohesive, uniform look throughout. And there you have it. Your presentation should now display slide numbers on each slide. If at any point you want to remove these numbers or alter their format, just revisit the slide number option within the Insert tab and make your adjustments. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment by checking and unchecking those boxes until you're completely comfortable with the process. That's all for today's tutorial. With these steps, adding slide numbers will be as easy as a click, helping you maintain your presentation structure and making your life a little easier when presenting. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.